Hello everyone and welcome back. This is my third video in the CFA series. In the last couple of videos, I have taken you through what CFA is and what are the benefits of doing the CFA course. Today, let me help you decide whether or not CFA is the right course for you. So by now you're aware that the minimum commitment required to do a CFA is between 2.5 to 3 years. So you have to be prepared to study through that time. It covers 3 levels and you must pass all the 3 levels in order to hold the CFA designation. And in addition to passing those exams, you must also have at least 4 years of minimum work experience, which must be in one of the fields as designated by the CFA Institute. The course of study in CFA is also very wide. It starts from ethics and professional standards, covers quantitative methods, economics, financial reporting and analysis, derivatives, equity, fixed income, alternate investment, corporate finance, and the like. So yes, there are 10 subjects and 1 exam for all those 10 subjects. So you should be able to study, retain, and understand that information. And not just know the subjects individually, but also understand the linkages of each of those subjects when it comes to security analysis and portfolio management. Now we know what are the benefits of doing CFA. We know that it will help you in your career, it will help you with knowledge, it will give you a global presence. But whether you should do CFA or you should not do it really depends upon your interests. Are you more of an accounting person or a finance person? Would you be interested in analysis or audit? So there are a lot of courses in the field of finance. Some of them are as big as CFA and they have a global presence also, while others are smaller certifications and courses which take about 6 months to a year to complete. So depending upon how much time you have, how much commitment you are willing to give, you should research the courses and then only get into which course you like. Take for example, we are aware that there is a course by the name CPA. So if you are an accounting person, if you would like to go into audits, then CPA is the one for you. And CPA is no easier than CFA. They are both equally tough. They both require an equal amount of commitment and take time to complete. However, it is really dependent upon what kind of interest you have. Same way, there are a lot of certifications in portfolio management, security analysis, financial modeling, and they may or may not take more than 6 months to complete. So if you want to focus in one specific area, if you know that your field has been one and you want to specialize, say, only in financial modeling, so you may choose only to do financial modeling, take one exam, certification exam, and get it done with. However, if you want to become an expert in each of the areas in finance, if you want to be an expert in financial modeling, if you want to be an expert in statistical analysis, in equity analysis, in fixed income, in derivatives, then the choice for you is to do the CFA and take the CFA charter. But be prepared for a long-term commitment. Be ready to take the level 2 after you have cleared the level 1 and take the level 3 after you have cleared both level 1 and level 2. And side by side, please also complete your 4 years of mandatory work experience. So I hope this video helps you in choosing whether or not CFA is the right field for you. I have not given a lot of details about the other programs because this series is for CFA. It is not for the other programs. I have given you some names. You should go on Google and research for the other courses. Go in depth into each course summary and then make your decision. Thank you very much. I will be looking forward to seeing you in the next video.